Hi there, Raj here from Trading College, just giving you a quick market update about some of the live trades that we have taken from our live trading room. And I'm just going to go over some of the setups that we've been looking at and kind of really what the outcomes of some of those have been. So first of all, let's start off with aluminium. A lot of these are in the commodities markets because obviously stocks are moving a little bit sideways at the moment. We do have a watch list in stocks, but until they turn, we're being patient, and sometimes having no position is a position, really. So there's always something to trade, and that's why this one was a really good example. This is the momentum trigger and pro trading system long initiated in aluminium. Now you can see here the momentum trigger happened in and around this candle. So we're looking at a rate of about 2,701, and it's moved up quite heavily since then. So let's just roughly pick out where that entry would have been. Stops would have been about 100 points or so, so not a very expensive trade, and actually achieved 441 points. Now obviously you can see there are upside targets on the pro trading system. They were all met very quickly, fairly quickly, and there were also upside targets on the weekly and the monthly that had also been met, especially on the monthly. But on the weekly there's still one left at 3,215. So it wasn't only aluminium in the base metals that did well. Let's go and have a look at a few of them. Lead also, that performed quite well at the beginning of the trade. We've seen a little bit of a reversal in recent times, but targets were met quite comfortably on that one. And then also one of my favorites had been this one here, nickel. So nickel, when the trade was initiated, I'll just highlight exactly when it was for you, would be on this momentum trigger bar here, and on the chart that would make it this candle in and around there. We had a really good run up and it achieved way over 2 to 1. So if we look here, that's about 1,161 points to the downside. So really you're looking for about 2,300 to the upside, and you can see that was achieved quite easily and quite quickly on this candle. So a really nice push higher in nickel. Away from that, we've also had some good trades in some of the other soft commodities markets. So I'm just going to show you what's going on. So this was corn. This is already highlighted because I was in this trade. Really nice momentum trigger. Also had an opportunity for a recent entry, another new entry here. But the original trade has planted up and gone up really nicely and moved quite quickly. Coffee has also been a decent trade to us. Struggling a little bit at the moment with this sideways move at quite high levels, so we're waiting to see if that recovers to the upside. No trade as of yet. We're waiting for this to turn around to be green, not green, so nothing there at the moment. And then also London Sugar. I don't know if you guys know that you could trade all of these things, but London Sugar has also been setting up quite nicely, but not quite ready yet because we got some down PTS targets. But the general trend on the monthly chart has been good. Also, soybeans has been in the news recently. That's also been quite nice. So let's pick up some of those trades. So let's look at just general soybeans. So that's here. This had an amazing good move on the upside. Good upside PTS targets, pro trading system targets. Still got some available here on all time frames, monthly, weekly, and daily, and it's kicked off really well at the beginning. Lastly, let's go and have a look at some traditional commodities. So let's look at crude. Crude oil, you can see here, has achieved pretty much upside targets. Still got some left on the weekly chart. So if, for example, we move down and get a new PTS signal on the way back up, we could aim for some of these ones on the higher time frames. And you can see they match quite nicely as well between the monthly and the weekly. So confluencing time frame. So about 9,220, which is $92 an ounce would be the target if we get another move down with a new upside PTS target to the upside. So that's what we'd be looking at here. But really nice moves in commodities. And just because stocks are moving sideways, it doesn't mean that there aren't other good trends in the market, as I've just shown you here. And these are all trades that are from the live trading room on a Monday and a Thursday. So just keep an eye on that. And if you want to join in with that, just let us know. And if you've got any questions as well, just let us know and we'll be happy to answer them. Good luck and good trading for next week.